Esedike one of Eje. Esedike one of Eje. Isimili Jeffo. Isimili Jakatakofo.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Well, today we are going to be looking at what has been trending on social media. Yul Edochie and his estranged wife, Yul Edochie. You all know how May and Yul Edochie's marriage has been suffering ever since Judy Austin came into the picture. Now, some persons would ask, why is May not getting a divorce? Now, according to a report from Due Process Advocates, that's the DPA, a case of bigamy was going to be filed against Yul Edochie, but May was not in support of it. When the case of Yul Edochie came to the DPA, they said they considered filing a complaint with the police and getting the allegation investigated. Yes, if you don't know, bigamy is a crime that when you're legally married to someone and then you go ahead to marry someone else, that can be filed as a case against you by the police. The DPA said May realize that such a move might result in you being arrested and prosecuted and possibly sent to jail. She didn't allow them to go ahead with the case of bigamy. Now, she didn't want her husband and the father of her children arrested. The DPA said each time bigamy was mentioned, she would ask, will they arrest him? Possibly they would say that yes, likely they are going to arrest Yul Edochie, and that didn't sit well with May. Now, the option left was for May to file for divorce and to sue Judy for damages for adultery. In as much as all this was going on, May hesitated. She didn't really file for the divorce. It took her until after the death of her child and Yul's subsequent behaviors for her to file the divorce. Now, the gist here is that May Yul Edochie filed for a divorce on the conditions of adultery and that her husband has gotten married to another woman. Yes, she cited that on the 24th of April 2022, she found out on social media via Gistlover blog that her husband was performing a traditional marriage rite with Judy in her hometown in Anambra State, as at the time the information was posted. Now, in response to these particular allegations in her petition, he categorically denied the paragraph of that petition and stated that Gistlover blog publication was false and fueled by Gistlover's enterprise in fake news and chaos. He went further to explain that every movie or skit featuring him and Judy, Gistlover will manipulate it just to generate social media traffic for their financial benefits. So guys, Yul has just confirmed that what has been between him and Judy is nothing but skit making. But people, don't forget that their skits have produced 2 children, about to get the 3rd one, according to speculations. Now, their skits produce Star and his younger sister. Real skit makers, if you would agree with me, like Sabinos, don't produce babies from their skits. Yeah, how can you say what is transpiring between you and Judy is skits? It's so laughable. It is now clear that their strategy, their plan to tell the courts that everything they do on social media, all those videos and all the posts are just skits. But mind you, the skits, you have 2 children and then the 3rd is on the way, according to speculations. Yul Edochie came on his Instagram page to also post a video having Judy hype him, give him the Odogu kind of hype that they are used to. Let's take a look at that video.
Isimili Jakatakofo. Esedike one of Eje. Esedike one of Eje. Isimili Jeffo. Isimili jakata kofo.
Okike.
Alusinteje.
Ya webuefa.
Alusinteje.
Mono.
Alusinteje.
Nako.
Alusinteje.
Irwokato.
Nekene nwoke. Na asị na mmadụ bụ nwoke ya bụrụ nwoke.
Ọkwara amụ nwoke ya bụrụ nwoke.
Amụ nwoke ya bụrụ nwoke.
Na-eme ka chingom. Kele mmọnwụ afa na mmọnwụ na-ebe.
Ezedike one of nteje. Isimili jiafu.
Ijele lechaba. Ijele odogwu. Ngala kwesịrị. Onye mmemme. Onye lechaba ijele na mmọnwụ si gị lechaba. Onye oweli iwe nya webu enya.
Isimili.
Mmọnwụ na-ebe.
Isimili jiafu.
Mmọnwụ na-ebe.
Isimili jakata kofo. Onye kwuchi egwu ụzọ.
Mbeli.
Bee ya kirikiri. Isimili. Onye blọk oge. Korea tobo.
Well, you've seen this video got netizens talking, and we went down the comment section. Now let's take a look at some of the comments. Now someone wrote that the truth about both of you is that you guys don't genuinely love each other. You're always trying to prove a point online and always trying to appear imaginary haters wey be say if they go offline they forget about you both. And when you guys eventually get tired of each other, shame no go gree any of you leave cause you've made a fool of yourselves online and offline. Judy, all the days of your life, your only achievement is hyping man who isn't married to you but a skit maker and backyard wife. Now another person wrote, she go hype tire, cheap thing that pop babies for anything we wear trousers. She no hype or bossy like this. Our favorite skit makers. So apparently we were expecting our third skit baby. Another person wrote, your woman I be your fellow skit maker. Please stop confusing us, Joe. Laugh out loud. Skit maker, is that you? Well, how funny how you let an incredible woman slide past you. Is this woman what you settle for now? Well, apparently we are waiting for the outcome. Now, my darling people, of course, there are some who hate, there are some who love. Now, another comment wrote, Una go explain tire. Another person wrote, you mean your co-skit maker and the woman you can't address as your wife, proud polygamist. Now, of course, one of Yul Edochie's social media outing, he publicly said that he is a proud polygamist. There are plans to deny in the petition that they only make skits that just lover posts is laughable. So guys, it's quite unfortunate that all this had to be this way, but we all wish this family the very best in their lawsuit. Now, what do you think? Let's know your thoughts in the comment section, and always subscribe to Opag News TV for the latest news, gist and updates.